AI Credit Repair AI is a brand new tool that's taking the credit repair world by storm. But is it really the best solution for fixing your credit? In this video, we're going to walk through 7 crucial things you need to know about this software before you dive in. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First off, what makes AI Credit Repair different from everything else on the market? Well, this software uses cutting-edge AI technology to analyze your credit report and create a custom plan for improving your score. It's like having a personal credit repair expert at your fingertips 24/7, without the hefty fees. Now, you might be wondering, does this really work? The answer is yes, but with a little effort on your part. The AI will suggest specific actions like disputing errors or improving credit utilization, but it's up to you to follow through. That's the catch. It's not a magic wand, but it's pretty close. What's really impressive about this AI credit repair tool is its ability to automate a lot of the manual tasks. For example, it can send dispute letters directly to the credit bureaus. If you've ever tried to do this on your own, you know how time-consuming it can be. This software speeds up the process significantly. Another big plus is the AI's ability to predict how certain actions will impact your credit score. Instead of blindly guessing, you'll get insights into what will work best for you based on your current credit profile. It helps you make smarter decisions. In terms of pricing, AI Credit Repair is incredibly affordable. You're looking at a much lower cost than traditional credit repair services, and you can even try it completely for free by using the link in the description. So, why not give it a shot and see how it works for you? What about the ease of use? You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate the platform. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed for people who may not be familiar with credit repair jargon. Everything is broken down clearly so you can take action right away. AI Credit Repair also integrates with other financial tools, allowing you to keep track of your credit progress in one place. It's not just about fixing your credit score, it's about giving you the power to stay on top of your financial health in the long term. One thing that stands out is the customer support. While the AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, if you run into any roadblocks, the support team is there to help. Plus, they have a lot of educational resources to guide you along the way. So, is AI Credit Repair the best just released AI software for credit repair? If you're looking for a cost-effective, efficient, and user-friendly way to improve your credit, it's definitely worth trying. Remember, you can try it completely free by clicking the link below. Now, if you're looking for other AI tools that can help with credit or financial planning, I've got my top recommendations in the description after testing thousands of AI software myself. Check them out for free and see which ones work best for you. Give AI Credit Repair a try and let me know what you think in the comments below.